Was the luxurious wedding of Anant Ambani a waste of money or a great marketing strategy to showcase India globally? Hello, millionaires! Welcome back to Wondrous Millionaires. Today, we are diving into a topic that has stirred quite a buzz globally: the extravagant wedding of Anant Ambani. This wedding wasn't just a union of two souls but a grand spectacle that caught the attention of the world. With opulence dripping from every corner, the question arises, was this lavish affair a sheer waste of money or a brilliant marketing strategy to put India on the global map? Stick with us as we unravel the layers of this luxurious event and discover the hidden gems within. By the end of this video, you'll have a fresh perspective on how grandeur can serve purposes beyond personal joy. So, buckle up, millionaires, and let's embark on this splendid journey together. Number 1. Cultural Extravaganza. The wedding was a vibrant showcase of India's rich cultural heritage. The Ambani wedding was a grand celebration of Indian culture, filled with traditional rituals and customs. From the intricate mehendi designs to the vibrant Sangeet performances, every aspect of the wedding was a tribute to India's diverse traditions. This cultural extravaganza served as a visual treat for international guests and media, portraying India as a land of rich heritage and traditions. The wedding included performances by Bollywood stars, traditional Indian music, and dance, which captivated the audience. This cultural display was a strategic move to enhance India's soft power and promote its cultural richness globally. Number 2. A masterclass in event planning. The wedding was a testament to world-class event planning and execution. The Ambani wedding was a masterclass in event planning, with every detail executed to perfection. The seamless coordination of various elements, from logistics to hospitality, showcased India's capability to organize large-scale events. This flawless execution serves as a case study for event planners worldwide, demonstrating the potential for India to become a hub for high-profile events. The meticulous planning and execution reflect the professionalism and expertise of Indian event management companies. Number 3. Media Frenzy. The wedding created a media frenzy, attracting global attention. The Ambani wedding was covered extensively by both national and international media. The lavish details, star-studded guest list, and opulent celebrations made headlines worldwide. This media coverage was not just about the wedding but also about showcasing India's growing influence and wealth. The extensive coverage helped project a positive image of India as a country capable of hosting grand events with utmost sophistication. This kind of media attention can significantly boost a nation's image on the global stage. Number 4. Promoting luxury tourism. The wedding showcased India as a prime destination for luxury tourism. The Ambani wedding highlighted India as a top destination for luxury events and weddings. The use of exotic locations, heritage sites, and luxury hotels demonstrated the potential of India to host grand events. This promotion of luxury tourism can attract high-net-worth individuals and celebrities to choose India for their special occasion. The event served as a live advertisement for India's luxury tourism industry, showcasing its capabilities to the world. Number 5. Showcasing Indian fashion. The wedding was a runway for India's top fashion designers. The Ambani wedding was a fashion extravaganza, with guests and the bridal party adorned in creations by India's top designers. The event provided a platform for designers to showcase their work to a global audience. This exposure can lead to increased demand for Indian fashion in international markets. By wearing creations from designers like Sabyasachi and Manish Malhotra, the Ambani family promoted Indian fashion and craftsmanship on a global stage. Number 6. Enhancing India's global image. The wedding contributed to enhancing India's image as a rising global power. The Ambani wedding was more than just a personal celebration, it was a strategic move to enhance India's global image. The event portrayed India as a country of wealth, culture, and sophistication, capable of hosting events on par with international standards. This enhanced image can attract foreign investments and collaborations, contributing to India's economic growth. The wedding served as a reminder of India's rising influence and its potential as a global player. Number 7. Economic impact. The wedding generated significant economic activity, boosting local businesses. Such a grand event has a ripple effect on the economy. The Ambani wedding provided a substantial boost to various sectors, including hospitality, catering, fashion, and transportation. Local artisans and craftsmen were engaged to create bespoke decorations and attire, thereby promoting traditional Indian crafts. The influx of guests from around the world also benefited the tourism industry. This economic impact highlights how luxurious events can drive business and create job opportunities, showcasing the positive side of such grand expenditures. Number 8. Creating international alliances. The wedding fostered international relationships and alliances. The guest list included international business magnates, diplomats, and celebrities, creating opportunities for forging new alliances and partnerships. This strategic gathering facilitated informal yet impactful discussions, potentially leading to international collaborations. The presence of global personalities not only enhanced the event's prestige but also opened doors for future international ventures, strengthening India's global ties. Number 9. Promoting Indian art and handicrafts. The wedding was a platform to promote Indian art and handicrafts. The decorations, attire, and gifts at the Ambani wedding showcased traditional Indian art and craftsmanship. This promotion of local artisans not only provided them with significant business but also highlighted India's rich artistic heritage. Such exposure can boost the demand for Indian handicrafts in global markets, preserving and promoting traditional art forms. The wedding thus played a crucial role in supporting and promoting India's cultural heritage. Number 10. Strengthening India's hospitality sector. The wedding demonstrated India's world-class hospitality standards. The hospitality extended during the Ambani wedding set new benchmarks for luxury and service excellence. The seamless coordination, attention to detail, and personalized services showcased India's capability to host high-profile guests with unmatched hospitality. This display of world-class hospitality can attract international tourists and high-net-worth individuals, boosting India's tourism and hospitality sector. The wedding thus highlighted India's potential as a premier destination for luxury events and tourism. Bonus point number 11. Philanthropic aspect. The wedding also had a philanthropic side, contributing to social causes. Amidst the grandeur, the Ambani family didn't forget their philanthropic responsibilities. The family made significant donations to various charitable causes, ensuring that the wedding also had a positive social impact. This act of giving back to society highlighted the family's commitment to social responsibility, balancing the opulence with compassion. Such gestures can inspire other wealthy individuals to contribute to social causes, creating a ripple effect of positive change. In conclusion, the luxurious wedding of Anant Ambani was more than just a celebration of love. It was a multifaceted event that showcased India's wealth, culture, and potential on a global stage. From boosting the economy and promoting tourism to enhancing India's global image, the wedding served multiple strategic purposes. It was a masterstroke in branding, networking, and cultural promotion, proving that extravagance, when planned wisely, can yield significant benefits. So, millionaires, what do you think? Was the Ambani wedding a waste of money or a brilliant marketing strategy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Wondrous Millionaires for more fascinating insights from the world of luxury. See you in the next video, millionaires.